guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I am only going to be eating pink food for the whole day. So let's get into it.
I could blame it on the physical.
Okay, so I'm starting my day off with a pink drink from Starbucks. I was gonna get a pink cake pop, but they didn't have any. Okay, now I'm heading to the mall to do some shopping. Yeah. Okay, so we just got done shopping and I got a pink rock candy, pink M&Ms, and a pink strawberry drink. But I can't. Ow.
One day later.
Ugh. I got it.
Bill's different size. Not much. Just a smaller bill.
Okay, so yesterday was a fail. So I'm gonna try again and do it today. And so I went to Walmart and got a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm gonna start out with a strawberry Pop-Tart. I'm gonna start with a pink cake pop from Walmart. I also got some strawberry milk. Still have my M&Ms I'm gonna snack on throughout the day. I'm gonna start with a pink Pop-Tart. Good. Now I'm gonna have strawberry milk. I'm gonna take my cake pop and my M&Ms and my milk to go because we gotta go back shopping because I didn't find a dress yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna try this cake pop from Walmart. Okay, so I got these strawberry Pockies.
Won't be able to see.
Yeah. This is fine.
Thanks, but I'm a.
Great.
I got this Olipop to drink. It's strawberry vanilla. Alright, so I got some noodles. They're not pink, but I have this edible pink dust that I'm going to spray on them so that they look pink.
You could throw me right through a window. I wouldn't even get scratched. Emotionally speaking.
I'm about to just like dump some of this in here. They have a tint of pink in them, so
Danielson told me how dangerous you can be.
You mentioned how I kicked his ass back in high school?
I robbed him.
good. Okay, I got this pink Starburst Jello. It smells good. liquidy. Tastes like a Starburst. I got this Danimal smoothie. It's cotton candy flavored. Okay, I got this Stranger Things ice cream. It is mint flare. It has mint ice cream with chocolate chunks and rainbow confetti. Me and my boyfriend have tried all of the Stranger Things ice creams, but this one is the best one. And I have some chicken and dumplings that are pink. To finish the video off, I'm going to have a bagel. And I know the bagels aren't pink, but I have this cream cheese whipped strawberry. So it'll make it pink. Maybe it's pink. Smells like yogurt. Pretty good. I've never had a bagel before. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get notifications every time I post, make sure you hit the bell. And if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, make sure you follow my socials.